I have a great cuento to tell you. Hi everyone, the word of the day is cuento. Cuento. This means tale or story. In some situations, it could refer to a lie or lies. Cuento is a noun, a masculine noun. So you can say el cuento or un cuento. The plural form is los cuentos or unos cuentos. Now let's see a few examples. Te voy a contar un cuento. Te voy a contar un cuento. El cuento de la caperucita roja. El cuento de la caperucita roja. Me gustan los cuentos con finales felices. Me gustan los cuentos con finales felices. Now, let's see a few examples when cuento refers to a lie. Keep in mind that usually people say things like this when they're very angry. Okay, let's see the examples. No me vengas con cuentos. No me vengas con cuentos. Déjate de cuentos. Déjate de cuentos. These phrases are very popular to use in Spanish. Okay, that was the word of the day. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Visit smlessons.com for more free Spanish lessons. Also, leave me more examples down below using cuento. Support this channel by sharing this video with your friends and by giving the thumbs up. Okay, I'll see you next time. Bye!